So welcome back. So today we're going to learn how you can make money selling testimonial videos. So let's learn what exactly is it. So testimonial videos are videos that you can create for companies and individuals who need those testimonials to convince people to buy in. Because whenever you have a testimonial video on your website or your Instagram pages and things like that, people watch it and they're like, wow, he's doing a great job. And they go ahead and hire that person. It's simple as that. It's nothing illegal. Okay, so you know what testimonial video is. Now, how do you create it? So all you need for this is your phone. Use the selfie camera and then just go ahead and record it. What I don't want you to do is this, okay? I don't want you to use your webcam. I mean, you can, but if you do, don't read off the script. That's number one. Number two is don't make it fake. For example, don't wear a suit or wear like a lot of makeup. Make it normal. Make it normal. Normal people giving normal testimonials are normal people, average looking people. So you don't need to put a lot of makeup or look all fancy. Just have a normal video. And if you do create the testimonial video on the webcam, on your computer, make sure that you're not reading it off the screen, okay? What you can do is, number one, is memorize it. That's one. Number two is you can ask your client if you can rephrase it, okay? So because sometimes a client will tell you, hey, say this, right? And you can ask them, hey, can I say the same thing using a little bit of different words because it fits me better, right? And most of the time they'll say yes. And what I want you to do is practice a couple times and just record it. And keep in mind, it doesn't have to be perfecto. It doesn't have to be like crazy nice, okay? It's okay. That's the whole point of having a testimonial, because real testimonials are not perfect. Keep that in mind, okay? Let's move on. So you know what a testimonial video is. You know how to create it. You also know what to avoid. Now, if you want examples, you need to go to Fiverr.com and just look it up, okay? Look it up. So what I want you to do is, next up is go ahead and create a free account on Fiverr. That's step number one. And I want you to go ahead and start offering testimonial services. Now, before you do that, make sure to create 2 or 3 example videos, just a random one, make it look real so that people know that, hey, this guy can create it, this girl can create it, and they are happy. They are okay with your face, they are okay with your accent, they're okay with the way you look. So make sure to create 3 or 4 example videos and put it on Fiverr, okay? And that's pretty much it. Now, how much should you be charging people? Make sure to charge at least 20 bucks starting out. Well, starting out you can charge 5 bucks to get some reviews, right? But once you do start seeing some, seeing some sales come in, what you might want to do is charge like 25, 30 bucks, and then you can sell add-ons. Add-ons is whenever a client can send you the product, maybe you can show it around and things like that. You can always charge more money for that. Now, that's what you know, and you learned how to, do this. Now, keep in mind, guys, that I create videos like this on how to make money like every couple times every week, and I also have a series called 1,000 Ways to Make Money. Now, make sure to go to my playlist and check it out. I've done like 31 episodes so far, I think, and I'll be creating more. And make sure to subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you so much, and take care.